Hey everybody, Wade Vander, Molen here with Stewart Title, and I want to talk to you about the ZOCCAM app that allows our clients to scan their earnest money deposit checks directly to us and our escrow accounts. It's super simple, so I want to walk you through the steps. So go to the Apple Store or the Android Store and download ZOCCAM. Hit ZOCCAM. Once you download it, it's going to ask you to put in your phone number and an 8-digit passcode. Once you're in, it's going to say, what do you want to do? Capture earnest money. It'll pull up the different title companies that are part of ZOCCAM, but Stewart Title right here. Yes. It'll pull up all of our offices that are part of the ZOCCAM app because Stewart Title, national company. You can select whatever office you're using, Crofton, Maryland, Fairfax, Washington, D.C., Frederick. So hit Fairfax. The answer is yes. Put in the street address, 101 Happy Street. It's in Fairfax. We are in Virginia, so select the state. Zip. How much is the check for? It's a $10,000 check. Is this correct? Yes. Buyer name, Steve Smith. Buyer's agent, Andy Rooney. Try to keep it light here. Seller name, you could say it's Susie Johnson. And the agent's name is Allison Jones. Once you're done with that, you could say who you are. It populates the email. You hit capture. At this point in time, it'll ask you to take a picture of the check front and back. So once you do the front, then you flip it over, take a picture of the back. It captures the routing numbers and the banking number of the check. And it'll send you a confirmation email that this was finished. And it'll look like, it'll look like this. Success that it was sent, and you'll get a confirmation you're all set to go. So if you're a realtor or buyer, download ZOCCAM. It's super easy, saves you time, effort, energy, so you don't have to drop off earnest money checks to our office or mail them in. And let me know if you have any questions. You can email me at wvander@stewart.com, and I'm happy to help you. All right, thank you.